what's going on? Sunny here with Online Sales Funnel Academy, and I just wanted to post this video and let you know that the November guide of the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide, November edition, is done. And if you would like to get a copy of it, there's going to be a link in the description down below this video. So what is the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide and why should you get it? So I talk a lot on this channel to small business owners and I try and help them grow their marketing efforts and do lead generation and reach out and get new sales and new customers. And one way to do that is to encourage people to have a marketing plan for the month that they're about to go into. A lot of small business owners either don't have the time or the capacity to think of new things and new excuses to give their customers to come into their stores. So what I do every month is I've created a guide that tells you what some of the fun holidays are throughout each month, and then that way you can design marketing strategies around those fun holidays. So let's see what we have in November. Excuse me. So let's see, what do we have? So we've got some of the holidays in here. We have the back of the book. You'll see we've got each day is broken down. You can see how each day of the month has its own little holiday. And we've got Gunpowder Day, Marooned Without a Compass Day, Saxophone Day, Cook Something Bold Day, Veterans Day, of course, on the 11th, Button Day. What else we have? Of course, there's always Thanksgiving at the end of the month, but we've got National Cashew Day, National Espresso Day. We've got Parfait Day, Thanksgiving, and of course we have Black Friday as well. So just some fun ideas to kind of put together a little marketing campaign if you're running a brick and mortar and you want to create a coupon and you're not sure. That's what this whole little guide is designed for, so it's pretty fun. And the other thing I did this month is, so real quick, so this is how you put together, you pick a holiday and then you put together a campaign. And then the other thing I did this month is I did this little write-up on Black Friday. So when you download the guide, you're going to see the 8 tips that I put in here on how to generate more sales on Black Friday and Cyber Monday for your small business, if you have one. And there's also some hashtags in here that I've selected for the different holidays for the month. So as you're hashtagging some of your stuff throughout the month, hopefully you're posting on Instagram especially, these are hashtags I researched for both, November, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, stuff like that. So be sure to grab a copy of your guide somewhere around this link down below and drop a comment. Let me know if you implement any of these strategies into your business. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.